Spontaneous ability and conscious skill are two completely different things, and just like with anything else, it does take practice. My dreaming mind is listening, and if I'm just aware and intentional about it, I can communicate with it. The most meaningful dream throughout the entire program for me was actually not a lucid dream, but if it wasn't for the conditions that this program created for me to be more present and aware and intentional, I don't think that I would have had the same experience. I had Lilith appear to me in a dream. She was in my rear view mirror and she smirked at me and introduced herself. And it just so happened to be at a time in my life where her showing up was just perfect. So I decided to create an intention the next night to have her show me my personal sigil. And it happened. I had a dream where she shows me my own personal sigil. I go and I grab it, touch it, and I just have this immense power and I feel amazing. It was so freaking cool, and it just showed me how showing up for myself and for both my waking and my dreaming life can create such a big difference in the way that you process things and also in the way that you see things. If I could describe my first lucid dream in one sentence, I would say I realized that I was dreaming and I made the conscious decision to stay, and it worked. I actually thought that lucid dreaming was just spontaneous because I used to spontaneously lucid dream when I was younger all the time. And so I thought it was just something random that happened, something cool. And now I understand it to be an intentional practice that brings so many just positive things into your life. What surprised me the most about the program was that I was just expecting the lucid dreaming to come back. I was just expecting the program to flip a switch and I would start lucid dreaming again like I did when I was younger, but I found out that's not what happened. Spontaneous ability and conscious skill are two completely different things, and just like with anything else, it does take practice. So that was the most surprising thing, but also the most beneficial. Was there a moment in the program where it just clicked? Yes, my Lilith dreams. So yeah, just having that dream and then creating that intention and having my dream delivered, that sequence just really showed me that my dreaming mind is listening, and if I'm just aware and intentional about it, I can communicate with it. It's like an open channel that you can take advantage of, and that's just super cool.